Hi guys! Welcome back again to our channel. Gagawa po tayo ngayon ng ube pandesal. So we need 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 2-piece egg, we need 3 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of warm water, another 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of warm milk, and we also have our ube flavoring, and we also need 1 cup of ube halaya and our breadcrumbs. So our first step is to activate our yeast. So sa ating warm water, we will add the sugar, yung ating yeast, and also the salt, and leave it for about like 3 minutes. Makikita nyo naman po nang mababubble na siya. So that means it's activated already. For the second step, we need to combine all the remaining ingredients. So we add nyo lang po all sa ating all-purpose flour. We have the white sugar, tapos i-mix nilang onte. Then followed by our melted butter, our 2-piece egg. Make sure it's at room temperature. And then warm milk. So I use the full fat fresh milk for this one. And then you will add the activated yeast mixture. So i-mix lang natin to guys until it will form a dough. Tapos after na ma-combine, ilipat natin sa ating table para ma-knead natin siya ng mabuti. So at this point, pwede na tayong maglagay ng ating ube flavoring. So I use about 20 ml ng ating ube flavoring. Make sure our hands are clean before we knead our dough. So, ganito na po yung itsura niya. So, mga 10 minutes na akong nag-knead ng dough. You can also use your mixer. And if you have the dough cook, pwede nyo din gamitin. So ngayon, kung smooth na yung dough natin, prepare natin yung bowl. Put a little bit of oil para hindi siya mag-stick on it. Then also on top of our dough. So ayan, we need to proof this one. Leave it at room temperature for about 1 hour until it will double the size. So make sure to cover it with a cloth. Ayan na po, after 1 hour, ito na yung dough natin, nag-double na yung size. So make sure your hands are clean before we touch the dough. First, we need to deflate the excess air. Ayan, tapos i-divide na natin yung ating dough. Ayan, so i-divide na natin yung dough natin into small pieces. Nasa 45 grams po yung isang piece ng pandesal natin. Before adding our filling, we need to flatten the dough. So first, you need to add cheese. Then 1 teaspoon of our ube halaya. So guys, may recipe po tayo dito sa ube halaya. I-click nyo lang po yung description box below. Nandyan po yung link ng ating masarap na ube halaya. So ayan, i-form nyo lang po ng round. Then yung last step natin is our breadcrumbs. Ang ginamit ko pong breadcrumbs, yung plain biscuit, tapos nilagay ko sa food processor. Guys, sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below para updated po kayo sa mga videos namin. Ayan, so I made a total of 30 pieces of our ube pandesal. So we need to proof this one again for another 30 minutes. Then make sure at this point you already preheated your oven at 180 degrees. So we need to bake this one for 20 minutes inside our oven. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy it.